In today's video, I'm going to show you how to style a kitchen hutch for your video background. Hey guys, if this is our first time meeting, my name is Donald Yim AIFT. I am a floral designer, but I'm also love to make YouTube videos to share my tips and experience with people who have a passion for floral design. If you are passionate about floral design like me, consider subscribing. Last year, I found this beautiful hutch on the Facebook Marketplace, but it needed a little love and attention. So I gave a little touch up and a fresh coat of paint to make it look decent. Also changed the door handle to enhance its appearance. Now is the time to take it to the next level by adding some stylish decorations. Are you ready? Let's get started. Before we begin decorating, make sure your hutch is clean and ready for a makeover. If it's dirty or beat up like mine was, give it a good cleaning and fix any minor imperfections. Then paint it in a color that suits your styles. I chose a fresh neutral colors for mine. Feel free to get creative and choose something that matches your setup aesthetic. Now that our hutch is look fabulous, it's time to gather some decorations. I recommend keeping the color scheme neutral to create a cohesive and timeless look. For my hutch, I select a few key pieces such as cookie jars, vases, containers, some vintage cameras, and more. Let's move on to the next step and see how we can style them. When setting up your shelf, it's important to create variation in heights to avoid a flat and monotonous look. To achieve this, start by placing a basket and a metal drawer on top of the hutch. This will serve as the foundations for the rest of the decorations. Now that we have our base set up, let's add some glass vases to introduce a different texture and visual interest. Arrange them in a way that complements the containers and enhance the overall aesthetics. Feel free to experiment with different shapes and sizes to create a dynamic and appealing display. We are almost there. Now let's add a few more decorative pieces to complete the look. This is where your creativity can shine. Place items such as small sculpture, decorative plates, or any other objects that resonate with your personal style. Remember to keep the balance and avoid overcrowding the shelf. Lastly, let's bring some life into our hutch by incorporating plants and foliages. Adding greenery will give a fresh and natural touch to the setup. Consider placing potted plants or even hanging some trailing vines from the shelf to create a lush and inviting atmosphere. And there you have it. We have transformed a simple kitchen hutch into a stylish and a visually appealing centerpiece. By following these steps, you can easily recreate this look or customize it to suit your personal taste. Remember to keep the balance, play with different heights and textures, and add some natural elements for that extra touch of freshness. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.